Hi, I'm Corey Joe Humphries, always CJ, and today we are going to be opening the Magic the Gathering The Brothers War Bundle Gift Edition. This took a little while to get here because it didn't come out with all the Brothers War stuff, but the box itself is absolutely beautiful. I always love these tags to make sure that it's been closed. The box itself is absolutely beautiful, a little bit of rattling inside, and in it says a give the gift of magic. And it comes with a alt art traditional foil Queen Kayla Bin Krog, 12 set boosters, a traditional foil Beyond Transformers card, a beautiful dice, 20 land foil and 20 land basic, the beautiful box itself, and it says 1 in 15 cards of Brothers War collector boosters. So I can't wait to open this, and it comes with, I absolutely love these, such a satisfying sound. Let's do it together. Oh, beautiful. So when you open it, it opens beautiful and majestically. For some strange reason, mine is upside down, but not really going to complain. So it comes with this beautiful box and a poster, a tiny little poster with Bumblebee and Optimus on one side and then Urza on the other. That is absolutely beautiful. So the box itself, it comes with the logo and the army, and on top it says Magic the Gathering, and the lid is this nice foiling. When you open it, you're gifted with all the packs, the lands. But first I'm going to talk about this. It comes with a few little +1/+1 counters, Transformers and stuff like that. That's really cool. It comes with a beautiful blue and red dice. I'm not sure if you can see it, but depending on where the light hits, you can kind of not see through it, but it lights up in certain areas with the Optimus and Decepticon logo on it. That's really cool. Oh. As always, rule cards. That's grand. If you don't know the basic rules of Magic and you're buying this stuff, you can also go on to my YouTube and go on Commander Class. Yes, I am doing a self-plug. So you get a collector booster, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packs. So sorry, I read the back wrong. I thought it said you get 12 packs. You get 8 set boosters with 12 cards in each. And then, you get the basic lands. And then I think the lands and the 2 cards. So first, I'm going to open the basics. So I'm going to put these to one side. And then I'll open that. So that's going to be the order I open it in. So if you want to jump to that, go right ahead. So first is the basic lands. It comes with this nice kind of foggy see-through packaging. So you get 2 green, 2 white, 2 blue, 2 black, 2 red, and then it'll be the same again. All basic, so you get 4 of each, and you get 2 of one art and 2 of the other. I absolutely love the lands when it comes to this set. My favorite one being green, and being the ones with the spikes on it. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite basic land is from this set. So next is this, which comes with the basic lands and I think the 2 promo cards. So So you get the Queen Kea Bin Grog in foil and in the old border stuff. Absolutely beautiful. Next we get the Transformer. We got Prawl Stotic Strategist for 3 in a white, a legendary artifact robot. And it looks like he is a police car. And he turns into a vehicle, and it is in foil. That will go there. And then you get the foil basic lands, which are absolutely beautiful and will be 100% going into decks. So the next section is going to be all the set boosters. So I'm going to start off with the first one, and they are 12 pack cards, and I think I'm just going to so you get your art card, we get a rare foil, I'm loving the prototype cards. Ooh, so Thorn of Amethyst, non-creature spells cast 1 more to cast. And we get an Elf Scout and a foil Goblin Firebomb. Kind of ordered this elf, so I'm happy with the first pack. Second pack. So the second pack is, ooh, that full art land. So straight off the bat, really good. Swiftfoot Boots, always good to have a pair of them. The rare being In the Trenches, and then the foil. So creatures you get +1/+1, that's a really good card. And I love the Phyrexian Soldiers. Next up, third pack, pack number 3. Oh, a Platinum Angel sketch. Soul Guided Lantern, a Blast Zone land. Oh, and we get a Power Armor from the list. Pack 4. A Full Art Mountain. That is absolutely beautiful. We get a Banished Heart. Oh, we got 2. We got a Self-Assembly in the sketch. We get Fateful Handoff. A foil Chromatic Star. And then from the list, all elves get +1/+1 and Forest Walk, and it's a 2/2 from the list. That is a really good card. Oh, we got a Transformer card. We got the Blaster Combat DJ. And at the other side is a Boombox. We got a Bonesaw. We got the Temporal Anchor, sorry. So, really good pack with those 3 at least. This is the third land I've got. That is the brush land. I haven't opened another damage land that isn't one of them. 2 more packs left to go. Oh, a signed card of Danto. We got a Mishra's Bauble and a Grixis Puppeteer, which is a card I wanted. And ooh, a foil Llanowar Waste. That is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then a card from the list. Final pack. Hopefully it is a good one. We got a Signet of Valor and a Siege Veteran. And then finally a collector's pack. So all the cards in here are foil. Oh, a full Basic Plains foil. So yeah, so start with the rares. We get Tyrant of the Carnage or Carnrider. We get Visions of Phyrexia. We got Sunwell Avenger Ace. We got a Foundry Inspector. We got a Chromatic Star. We got a Maze Mind Tomb. We got our third Transformer, Ace Sharpshooter. That is a pink arrow on the other side. We got a second Visions of Phyrexia. So, let me know what you think of this bundle in the comments down below. I thought it was really good. I enjoyed opening it. Let me know what you think about these unboxing videos, and I will be doing a review about the bundle, a full video on it in the next few days. So let me know what you think, and I will see you all in the next video.